welcome to Chartlens. So basically, I was on vacation for 2 weeks, so that's the reason I was not active in market. In fact, I have not made any video as well from last 2 weeks, and market also was pretty much downtrend. So that is the reason like I was on vacation, and I'm after I came back yesterday, and then to see Nifty was gap up around 600 points. It's not all about where we got a gap up opening, but also the good thing is that the closing also was very much good. If you see most of the stocks and most of the sector wise also we got a good closing. I always believe that if you have strong closing, so we can trust the move. If not, it will not be sustained for sure. So let us deep dive into analysis part. Just check the let's go to the Nifty one. Yeah. So we had a clear resistance of gap 1, gap 2, gap 3. Look at this is I think I marked in last 2 weeks back itself, and then I mentioned the newsletters also that we have a clear resistance where the Nifty has to cross over. And after the after the downtrend, we got a good base formation. Like if you see like close around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 to 12 days of consolidation and then gap up, and that's a good thing happens. Whenever the markets you know come out of a downtrend, either it has to be kind of base formation or else it has to be quick recovery. So in this case we got it like 10 to 12 days of consolidation, and then we got a gap up yesterday. So it has cleared its first gap resistance zone where we can start testing our positions. So basically what I does is that I started to take test positions. Once my test position started giving me the traction, then I'll be building my positions aggressively. So till my test positions work, I won't build my positions aggressively, and that's what I do. Same thing now. I'll be start taking my test positions. Once it works out, then it's okay. I can start building my good position size, and that's about Nifty. I think we got a good movement yesterday. So let's see. I'm expecting few days of consolidation here. So something, let me put it here if I can put it out. So something I want some days of consolidation like this. So something like this. So something like this consolidation. So if you have good consolidation right hand side, so it will be good for you can trust the move. So this is our Nifty view. Coming back to Bank Nifty, so mid cap also. If you look at the weekly chart, it was clearly break down completely, and since we didn't get good follow up on the downside, it quickly recovered to its support level, and that's what happens. Whenever we don't get follow up through, it has to be quickly recovered, and that's what happened in this case. So I expect some more day consolidation, and then it has to take out this support zone completely, follow through on the upside. That's my mid cap view. And coming to Bank Nifty also, it was quickly recovered compared to Nifty. I guess it is close to 11% probably. Yeah, it is close from downside. It is close to 11%, and in fact it's cleared the first gap level, and that's a strong resistance we had. And I think private banks will do good from here on. That's what I am thinking. As per the charts, private banks looks good, so I expect Bank Nifty to move higher, and I want few days of consolidation before it gives any further movement. If it's vertical move, it won't sustain. That's the reason I'm telling. So I don't want any vertical moves. I want some consolidation, and then so that we can enter. If not vertical moves, we cannot enter, and the risk reward doesn't favor us. Coming back to small cap it was trading towards the support zone, and we had a clear breakdown, and then we had a good base formation here also. So but anyway, I want small cap to small cap to cross around 17,150 level, because look at the structure also, still it's not in good shape. It's in still channel, so I wanted to cross 17,200 at least, to confirm the trend. Till that, at least you can have only few positions. If your test positions are working, you can start building positions. And now let's look into deep dive into sector wise. So currently I'm focusing on three sectors, that is power sector, auto, and then private banks. I hope the power stocks will do really good from here on, because look at the almost all the stuff, like you look at the Q power, it is trading near the ice, close to its size, and then look at this consolidation, and then crossing this particular resistance line. So I expect it to do well, and even the Sinder also, look at this, it was 5% circuit, so I'm not focusing on that. And look at this, this is also very good stock, and precise where I think we are seeing from long time but it's very choppy chart for me, so I'm not considering that. Look at this Power India, when Nifty was falling, this was completely in consolidation zone, and in fact we have this shakeout also. So I expect to do good Power India also. Look at upper industries also, it's good, but anyway it's choppy, so let's not give so much weightage on this. Look at Atlanta Electricals, look at this, after the long base breakout, it's clearly, so I think we can have some position here also. uh, yeah, look at this. It's to be frank, I think we can have the good entry here above this level. So let's see. Anyway, I'll make a detailed video on this of the catalyst as well. And nothing to look. And Premier Energy, so nothing much, it's just vertical. I just want to show you how strong it. Look at this wire energy. So I think once we clear this level about 3232, it has to do good. 6%, I think it's fine. TD power also, it's good. No entry. So that's all. If you look at all the charts of power industry, it's good. And even if you see auto also, I think auto also will give clear entry in few days. So look at auto, almost all the auto stocks is, especially Sansar Engineering. Look at Sansar Engineering. When Nifty is falling, this is also trading near the highs now. And in fact, I'm expecting private banks also to join the party in coming days. So I'm just waiting for few more consolidation here. Look at this Karnataka Bank. Look at this long base. Just check out my newsletters. I think I was clearly mentioning somewhere here. Just check out this. I have clearly mentioned. So that's the conclusion. The market breadth is slightly improving. You can start your test positions. So I'll be focusing on power sector, and then private banks, auto sector. So thank you very much. Have a good